What's up YouTube, it's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. Thank you all for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. This is a real life achievement. Even before I was into trading, I always wanted to get to YouTube and my goal was to always get to 1,000 subscribers. Then I found my passion for trading and now with that I can update you guys every single day. Amazing. That's why our channel is growing so well. So thank you all so much for coming back, giving your time and liking and commenting and subscribing. Thank you all. Perfect. Let's get into Polygon. So on the weekly time frame, what I do like is that you've been respecting this 12 EMA so nicely. You lose the 12 EMA, you come to the 20, bounce off it, get back above the 12 EMA. And so last week you came below, got back above, put in a new higher high. This is actually your highest high for Polygon Matic ever for the daily candle close, and now we have an even higher high with the daily candle, with the weekly candle, sorry, but you still got 5 days left. Of course this can reverse, but what I do like is when you opened here, you've actually come back to test key levels of support. So you broke this resistance over here and you back tested the support over here, the 12 EMA. So let's take a look at the daily time frame now. So on the daily time frame, look at this guys, for the past 1, 2, 3 days you kept on trying to go below the 12 EMA, but each day you closed above it, showing you that the bull trend is strong. You're coming back to test key levels of support, sitting on that nicely, resistance turn into support. But every time you lost the 12, you actually come down and back tested multiple EMAs, the 20s and the 55. And with each time the bulls have come in so strong that it's pushed you back above each time for the past 3 days above the 12 EMA. So I'm actually gonna have to do this for a second. Turn on the drawings. Beautiful. There we go. So now I've turned on the drawings. We knew that we were tracing back to here. We met that target. Then I gave you a 230 target in around here. We met that. And let's go to the 4H time frame now. So I'm gonna remove the 12 EMA soon. But just before, you had the bearish cross here. The bearish cross took you to the 55. You lost that. Got to the 200, had a massive bounce, double bottom. I was giving you some bullish targets over here out of this ascending triangle, and then you rolled over some more, back tested support, creating this large double bottom, which you're in a technical target now because you broke this neckline. And so we got multiple technical targets. We've actually met one out of this ascending triangle over here. You've now met that technical target at $2.32, which I gave in the last video 2 days ago. Beautiful. We're now retracing to this next target over here out of this fib retracement from your swing high to your swing low over here, because at that moment we only had sorry, did I put it to the bottom? Yeah, I put it to the bottom over here. So your 618 was lining up here, which was the resistance of the ascending triangle as well. Actually don't know why I put the target there. Oh yeah, I just measured from here to there, so I gave 2 targets, measuring from the wick and then also just from there, and we still got a target to meet over here sitting at $2.53. I think this over here, let me see why I've got that. Yeah, I think I was already giving a potential double bottom scenario over here. So once we break that neckline, you've got a target sitting at $2.80 out of this double bottom over here. But if we want to ignore the wick, let's now ignore the wick. So the lowest point is over here. Take it to the neckline, which is your 786. Once you break above the 786, your technical target is sitting at $2.65. But we know already out of this fib retracement over here, we're heading to the $2.90. But now out of this retracement, if we can get above the 618, which we now have, we will slowly head up to here, $3.15. So this is a technical target now for Matic, sitting at the 1618 at $3.15. And this was our minimal bull market target. I think we're going to 650, but look at the twos. The twos are sitting at 373, 420, and 450. So multiple reasons why we're going to get to this first target, where you may want to think about taking some profits off the table. Of course, since we broke out of this this ascending triangle over here, you never back tested it as support. You actually never back tested the 0618 at $2. So it's highly likely that, can you see at the moment you're getting rejected right here? So let me check the RSI. So let me take away that moving average. I'm going to show you the RSI, because at the moment we have got higher highs, but right now you're rejecting that 1 point, which is a significant resistance as well, which I keep talking about I'm not using the all-time high as the resistance. I'm using this. And the reason why I'm using $2.43 as resistance is because when you broke above it, you never back tested as support. You instantly fell below and back tested as resistance. And you got a resistance point right here. And that's why I'm using $2.43. And as you can see, as we go back to where we are right now, you're smacking your head on that right now, and you've never back tested these EMAs either once you got above them. So there's a high likelihood they're going to come to the 0.618, so watch out for that. But as long as we stay above that, and as long as we're above $1.88, we're going to 290. Remember, I told you many videos ago, as long as we're above $1.55, we are going to these targets up here. So as long as we're above that, which we keep falling back to and holding as support and getting nice bounces from, each bounce is actually getting stronger. So this is amazing. This is bullish, guys. Just showing you that the bulls do not want Polygon Matic to lose $1.55. That's what it's basically telling you guys. So yeah, out of this double bottom over here with the neckline 786, you got this target, and from the from measuring from here to here, you got that target. But remember, once you're above the 0.618, you've also got a target at the 1.618. So there's so many targets. We've got 4 targets at the moment in just in this short space, and we know we need to roll over now. Let's check for divergences. So actually over here you've got a high and a higher high. So on the chart you've got higher highs, but on the RSI I think you're getting lower highs, and this is bearish, hidden bearish divergence, because on the chart it's looking so bullish, wow, higher highs, but on the RSI it's like, actually no, we already topped out over here, we've come down, and now we've made a new high on the chart. It's actually still lower, so it's higher likelihood that we're going to roll over. Of course you can break this trend line. If you can break above this trend line, back test that support and break this high, we're going to continue. But I do believe that we need to come down for Matic. Why? Because it's getting a bit vertical. What did I tell you guys over here? I said it's getting a bit vertical. We're going to get a nasty drop, and I'm expecting $1.88 to hold as support. Held it as support, lost it, got back above it, held it as support. So this means that everything below $1.88 is a fake out. Why? Because this is where you stopped and created that wick. You got back above it and you back tested that support twice. So this is why this is your true support, and this is why I gave you $1.88 as the nasty dip basically. Of course you wicked down below, but that's fine. Where did you close? You closed at $1.88 exactly. So as long as you're above $1.88, you're going to 290, and as long as you're above $1.55, you're going to minimal $4, $5, and $6.50 as my final target for Polygon. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's update. I hope that was clear. Of course, make notes if you want to. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you for always coming back and supporting the channel. Leave a like, subscribe of course, and turn the notification bells on, not only for YouTube but for Twitter. Perfect, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, peace.